Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Bloomberg's app serves as a comprehensive platform for financial news, market data, and analysis, providing users with real-time updates on global markets, stocks, currencies, and commodities. The app offers a user-friendly interface where investors and professionals can access breaking news, in-depth financial analysis, and market trends from around the world. Additionally, it provides tools for tracking portfolios, customizable watch lists, and research capabilities, making it a valuable resource for staying informed and making informed investment decisions in the dynamic world of finance. Making money using Bloomberg involves leveraging its vast array of financial data, news, and analysis tools in conjunction with smart investment strategies. Firstly, use Bloomberg's real-time market data and news updates to stay informed about global economic trends, market movements, and breaking news that could impact your investments. Being well-informed can help you make timely decisions and seize opportunities. Utilize Bloomberg's analytical tools for in-depth research and analysis. Dive into company financials, economic indicators, and market trends using Bloomberg's charts, analytics, and historical data to identify potential investment opportunities. Combine fundamental analysis with technical indicators to develop a well-rounded perspective. Before making investment decisions, leverage Bloomberg's portfolio management tools to track and manage your investments effectively. Monitor your portfolio's performance. Set up alerts for price movements or news events related to your holdings, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Additionally, use Bloomberg's watch list feature to keep an eye on specific stocks or markets that interest you. Finally, Bloomberg's networking capabilities can be valuable. Connect with industry professionals, analysts, and experts through Bloomberg's community features, seminars, or events. Engaging with knowledgeable individuals and participating in discussions may offer insights, potential collaborations, or unique perspectives that could influence your investment decisions positively.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.